Pascal jumps through green trees, three friends laughing in the breeze.
Hi, friends. I'm Pascal. Today, we're going to have fun learning about different shapes while I visit my friends. Let's go visit Kyle. But first, please hit the like and subscribe button to support us. Hi Kyle. What are you up to on this beautiful sunny day?
Hi Pascal. I am just enjoying some cheesy pizza for lunch. Do you want some?
That looks so good. Yes, please. Hey kids, can you guess the shape of this pizza slice? This is a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Yummy! Thank you for sharing, Kyle. I am off to visit Eloise by the pond. Let's see what Eloise is doing. Hi Eloise. It's nice to see you.
Hi Pascal. I am polishing my bicycle for the race later today.
Kids, look at these bicycle wheels. What shape do they remind you of? That's right, a circle. They are round and have no corners. Just like the sun in the sky or this little pond. That brown basket looks very full, Eloise. What do you have in there?
I brought some food for a picnic. Will you join me for a picnic under the apple tree?
Yes, of course, Eloise. I would love to join you for a picnic.
I have some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, some cheese and crackers and some fruits. What would you like to have?
I will take a sandwich. Thanks, Eloise. Look kids, the sandwich has a shape to it. Can you tell me what shape it is? It has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. That's right, it's a yummy square. Perfect for sharing. Hey Eloise, do you want to go to the park with me?
Yes, I would love to join you.
Hey, look who it is. It is Marigold playing in the park.
Hi Pascal and Eloise. It's nice to see you. Come play with me. Guess what? I see a rectangle. Rectangles are like squares but longer. They have 4 sides and 4 corners. Just like this slide we play on.
And here's another cool shape. This is an octagon. See, it has 8 sides and 8 corners. Just like this stop sign we see on the curb. Always remember to stop and look.
Look at the sky, everyone. All the beautiful, bright stars are in the sky. A star is another shape and there are so many of them in the sky. My favorite star is the shooting star.
Let's see if we can remember all the shapes. Triangle, circle, square, rectangle, octagon, and star. Great job, friends! Shapes are all around us, in things we use, see, and eat every day. Thanks for learning shapes with us today. Keep looking around, and you'll see shapes everywhere. Bye-bye.